What happens when you mistakenly send your crypto to the wrong address? I know this has happened to a lot of people in the past. A lot of people have lost huge amount of money by just making this simple mistake. One mistake and all your money is gone. Hello guys. Money is gone. Hello guys, it's Gerard here. I know it's been close to a month the last time I uploaded a video on this channel. I know you guys missed my face already. Basically, I've been working on other ways to better up this channel and provide you guys nice tutorials on how to help your day-to-day life activity. So, a friend of mine basically sent out his crypto to the wrong address a few days ago, and it got me wondering, how can you recover crypto that has been sent to the wrong address? It's always funds lost, they just lose all his money. And I know a lot of people have made the same mistake in the past, and I did my research and I'll be sharing the way how to recover funds that has been basically sent to the wrong address on Binance with you guys here.
Yes! We go for it!
If you're new here, I make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, drop a comment if possible, and turn on the post notifications so that you get my videos as soon as they drop. So that's enough of me talking. Let's get down to business.
The first thing we do is log in our Binance. So we're going to search for it here and click on it. Wait for it to load. This is the app interface. So it's loading. We're in now. Sign into my account. So this is my personal account. Okay. So we're going to click on help and support. That's the place we'll be using. Help center, FAQ. So click on help center, FAQ, and let it load. So this is a support center. This will basically be doing everything that will be needed. So where we'll be clicking, we'll make use of is the deposit missing or wrong tag memo assets recovery. So we're going to click on that, wait for it to load. So this is the page you're going to get after that. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to select the coin or token that you sent out. You sent to the wrong address. You select the coin. If it's USDT, you select it. If it's BNB, you select it. But in this video, we'll be making use of USDT. Make use of USDT. Now the deposit amount, the amount you sent out to the wrong address. Let's say $5,000. Or better, so let's say 10,000. Let's aim higher, 10,000. So the next option there is the transaction ID. For each transaction you make on Binance, there is a transaction ID that is saved, automatically created, and it's there for you. So in this case, let's just use Gerard space. Let's use Gerard space, but that's not transaction ID. I'm just using it for the purpose of this video. Gerard space. So when you're done, you just click on submit. When you're done, you click on submit. And basically how this works is that when you click on submit, after 24 hours they're going to go review this application is submitted. They're going to review it, and in 24 hours your money will be refunded back into your wallet. You get a notification, or it will just be there without any notification. Just be returned to where it is supposed to be without any notification.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned from it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and share this video with family and friends if possible, so that someone who maybe has made the same mistake will learn from this and will make the same mistake again. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.